Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see chess.com achievements, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, first of all, access a particular browser. Go to search bar and type in chess.com and get to this official website of it, and then get yourself signed in as well. Afterward, tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner of the screen, and then you will have this option of home, free trial, messages, etc., and this awards option just below the stats. Go ahead, tap on this awards, and now you can see you will find this achievements option just right over here, right? Go ahead, tap on this, and now you'll find all of the achievements that you have achieved so far over here in chess.com listed just right over there. You can go ahead, tap on it, and you can simply see how many you have to play to get that achievement as well. If you tap on this drop down menu beside the achievements, you will get this medals, badges, passport, books, and etc., including the category, which you can choose and see the achievements within it. So that is also the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.